In our previous video, we installed Azure Data Studio and made a connection to a SQL Server instance that is running as a container in Docker. This is shown as localhost under the servers list in Azure. We also showed how we created our container with volumes so that any database we create can be easily found on our machine. Today, in our final part 3 of this series called SQL Server on macOS, I just want to demonstrate the creation of a database and view our database files in the Finder window. Let's get started. Open up Azure Data Studio. We need a place to enter our script for creating a database. Right-click on localhost and select New Query. Now key in Create Database and give it a name, anything you like, test DB, semicolon, and now click the Run command. If we refresh our databases, we now see our newly created database in our list. Notice we have no tables if we try to expand it. Right click on tables and let's just create one table. Let's give it a name, maybe app user. Let's make our first column ID. Let's make it a primary key. Make it an identity column, maybe that starts with the value of 1000. Let's create another column, first name, and varchar 30. Let's do another one, last name. And I tell you what, let's do one more. Let's make a last modified date. And we'll give this a default value of get date, which is an internal SQL function. Notice at the bottom it is building a script for a create table for us. We could, if we chose, to create our own script to do what we're doing here through the designer. Now we're ready to publish our changes, so click on this small button here at the top, Publish Changes, and then Update Database. If we refresh our tables, we can now see all of our columns inside the App User table. I'll stop here with creating database tables. I just wanted to whet your appetite. Soon I will be creating a new series on SQL database design and scripting, so be on the lookout for that. Lastly, take a look now at your volumes data folder and locate the new database files. So inside the volumes, click on data, and we should see our Azure test database and log file located here. Thanks for watching.